Is your Verizon Box constantly rebooting? You're not alone. This frustrating issue affects thousands of users, but understanding the root causes is the first step to solving the problem. Research shows that this issue stems from three primary causes: firmware problems, overheating, and power supply complications. Let's examine each cause in detail. Firmware problems are the most complex cause. These include corrupted boot sequences from incomplete installations, memory leaks that gradually consume RAM, software conflicts from incompatible app updates, and authentication failures with Verizon's content protection protocols. Overheating is a critical issue that occurs when the box's internal temperature exceeds 140 degrees Fahrenheit. This is often caused by dust accumulation blocking ventilation or improper placement in enclosed spaces without adequate airflow. Power supply complications involve voltage fluctuations from home electrical issues, degradation of the power adapter over time, or microsurges from electrical storms. Power adapters typically lose 10 to 15% of their capacity annually. Recent developments in late 2024 have brought significant improvements. Verizon released major firmware updates for iOS TV1 boxes that address persistent reboot loops. New diagnostic tools now allow users to run self-diagnostics, and Wi-Fi 6E support in newer models has reduced network-related reboots by approximately 35%. Understanding these root causes, firmware problems, overheating, and power supply issues, is essential for effective troubleshooting. With recent improvements and proper identification of the underlying problem, most Verizon Box rebooting issues can be resolved. Now let's walk through the most effective troubleshooting steps to fix your Verizon Box rebooting issues. We'll start with basic solutions that resolve most problems. The first and most important step is a proper power cycle. Unplug your Verizon Box completely for 30 seconds, then reconnect the power and wait a full 5 minutes for the system to fully restart. This simple step has a 65% success rate. Next, check the ventilation around your box. Overheating accounts for 42% of all reboot cases. Ensure there's at least 6 inches of clearance on all sides, and never place the box in an enclosed cabinet or stack other devices on top of it. Third, inspect all cable connections for looseness. A loose coaxial cable or power connection can cause intermittent power loss, leading to constant reboots. If basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve the issue, let's try some advanced solutions that address deeper technical problems. Try a firmware factory reset by holding the power button for 10 seconds during startup. This resolves 78% of firmware-related issues by clearing corrupted system files. If you're using Wi-Fi, switch to a wired Ethernet connection to rule out network connectivity issues. Network problems account for 8% of reboot cases. Power supply issues cause 28% of all reboots. Installing proper power protection is crucial, especially in areas with older electrical infrastructure. A quality surge protector shields your equipment from voltage spikes and electrical fluctuations that can cause system instability and reboots. For maximum protection, consider an uninterruptible power supply, or UPS. This provides clean, stable power and eliminates 89% of power-related reboots in areas with poor electrical infrastructure. Here are the success rates for each troubleshooting method. Power adapter replacement has the highest success rate at 92%, followed by ventilation improvements at 85% for overheating issues. If problems persist after trying these solutions, don't hesitate to schedule a technician visit. Professional diagnosis can identify hardware failures or complex issues that require on-site service.